How to make applesauce. First thing you do is peel your apples. Any kind of apples will do for this applesauce recipe. I used about 8 apples for this recipe. Next, cut the apples in half to remove the core and then slice into smaller pieces. When making use of any sharp utensils, please be careful not to slice your fingers. Next, we're going to add our sliced apples into a pot and add about a 1 1/3 cup of water. Next, we place our pot on the stove and bring that water to a boil, and then we reduce the heat to medium heat. Place a lid and let the apple simmer for 20 minutes. Once the apples are fork tender, then you know they're ready for the next step. We then allow our apples to cool, and then once they've cooled down, we squeeze in some lemon, about half a lemon. We then place the apples into a blender, and the type of blender you choose will depend on the consistency that you want. If you want smooth, then you can just use your hand blender. If you want them more chunky, you can use a potato masher. And that's it. Once you get to the desired consistency that you want, the applesauce is ready to be served. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this recipe below. Let me know if you want to see more simple, quick recipes like this, which are great for kids. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this recipe. And until next time, peace.